Now I'm going to talk about CSS. Okay. In my case, I have a CSS file called PingGuo style. So just open that with any editor you want. In my case, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use Xcode to open it. So this CSS file is linked to your HTML file using this code. So just make sure this name matches with the name of your file. So PingGuo style.css. Make sure it matches the name of your file, PingGuo style.css. You can now change the style of your web page using the CSS file. So for example, the background color, instead of blue, I just type yellow. And then I refresh this. Okay. For example, if I want this, my title, the name of my school, to have the color of the font, I want it to be blue, so I just change this to blue. So I'm not going to go into very specific details on the CSS. Again, this is something you can Google it. You can learn about classes, you can learn about IDs, you can learn about alignment. All this you can learn on the internet.